Hello folks, welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today's feature, I will be passing over to Matt from Collaboration Coach, who will be guiding you through all of the next and latest editions of Microsoft Office 365. I think this is going to be the perfect way to summarize what features are going to be added to Microsoft's lineup of products and give you an idea of all you need to know. Now, if you've not checked out Collaboration Coach here on YouTube, please do subscribe. He does fantastic overviews of Microsoft tools. You can also check out his courses below as well. So big thanks to Matt for putting this together. So without further ado, guys, let's jump into today's video.
Hello, this is Matt from Collaboration Coach. Thanks for having me back on Keep Productive. Over on my channel, we've started doing a monthly video on what's new and coming up in Office 365. We're calling this Radar, and I've put together a short edit of some of the recent content for you here. If you want to see more, then head over to the Collaboration Coach channel. So here we go. Let's have a look at some new features for Microsoft Teams. This is the new look for the Files tab. I can go to any channel, so here I'm on General, and I've gone to the Files tab, and you can see here the look of the Files page is different. We've got some additions that weren't available previously, and to do these things we'd have to go into SharePoint, so open up a browser and go off to SharePoint. So for example, there's the sync button. So now we can sync our SharePoint libraries to OneDrive Sync Client through Teams. Previously we had to go into a browser. Another thing we've got up here is this view menu. So all documents is the default. I can drop it down and I can choose tile view, for example. That's something else we couldn't do until now. We can also edit the view, so we can change it and add new columns. So for example, in this general library, I've added a retention label column so I can see the retentions labels straight out of Teams. Another thing that's been added is the ability to check out through Teams. So now I can right click a file, go to the More menu and choose Check Out, which then checks the file out and marks it with the little red icon with an arrow in it. If I want to check it back in, I just go More and Check In, or I can discard the checkout as well. Next up is pinning channels in Teams. When you're a member of lots of teams, it's sometimes hard to find the channel you're looking for. Channel pinning is a way to put the channels that you use most at the top of your list of teams so they're easy to get to. Just find the channel that you want to pin, right click it, choose pin, and it will appear at the top of the list. Now when you create new channels, you can make them private so that only some members of the team can see the files and the posts inside. These are called private channels. Now when you add a new channel, you can choose whether the channel is private or standard. When you choose private, you can then choose which members of the team should be able to see the new channel. You will also see a little padlock icon to illustrate the fact that it's private. Lastly, in Teams, there's the ability to run a quick poll in a post. So you can do this from an existing post. So if you come to the ellipsis on a post and choose More Actions and Create New Poll, or you can start from a new post by hitting this Forms button here. And basically it's using Microsoft Forms to create a new poll. You can have up to 6 options. And you pose a question, and then you give a bunch of options to your team to choose from. You can have multiple answers, and when you're done, you send it to the post, and then it's available for everyone to vote on. All they need to do is choose their option, hit Submit Vote, and the results are displayed just below the poll in the results window. So there you are, that was an excerpt from Radar, our new monthly video to keep you informed on what's up and coming in Office 365. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you want to see more, come over and visit us on the Collaboration Coach channel. And thanks once again for having me on Keep Productive, and I'll see you again soon.